Hey everybody, this is George from Jack's Real Estate Education coming to you one more time. And I just want to go ahead and kind of give, talk today in regards about, is this a good fit for you? Is real estate investing a good fit for you? Is this something that you want to do? Well, here, let me go ahead and tell you. A lot of people have come to me. I've been in this for way too long. And I can tell you the number one reason to get into real estate is not for the money. It's for the people. Real estate is all about people. It's about relationships, about helping the community, helping people in a dire situation where you come in with your education and you're learning, you know exactly step 1, 2, and 3 what to do. That's why it's very important to have system in place and be able to help those that need and move on to the next. So you need to have an actual, talk to a lot of people so you can actually help them each month, and you have an inventory that you're able to go ahead and live off and not become a desperate investor out there. Like there's 9 out of 10 times all those investors out there are the dead broke investors. You know, they do one deal, wait, go through whole cycles, and 9, 10 months later they finally, okay, I finished doing that and I'm ready to go back again. Then it takes you another 9 months before you know, or even longer or a little bit less. But again, you see the cycle. You don't want to do that. You want to be able to have consistent flow. So being an entrepreneur, being in real estate investing is a business. That's where a lot of people fall. You can't think of it as a, yes, it could do as a part-time, but it's not a hobby, guys. It is something you have to put dedication in. You have to go and put the commitment before it. You have to have the passion behind it. You have to be consistent. You have to do everything it takes to do and be successful in real estate. To keep talking to people every day. Every single day, make sure you say, I'm going to talk to at least 2 people every day. Tell them what I do. And then, you know, take it from there. And then as long as people know what they're doing, it's going to be very gratifying. Again, it's not instant gratification, but it is very gratifying to be able to be the person that come to say, hey, George, I got so-and-so who has this situation. Can you help them with this? Absolutely. Give me their name and number. And then guess what? Now you're calling up and say, okay, Mr. and Mrs. Homeowner, my name is George. I was referred to you by so-and-so person, and how can I help you? Bam, done. Let me tell you something, but it takes time. I understand most of you have a 9-to-5 job. You know what? I understand that. And by the time you get up, you commute to and from work, you're looking about at least another, maybe, depends on where you're living, it's about maybe 9 to 10 hours total from start to finish. So that gives you a little hour a window of opportunity to go ahead and work on this business or anything else you want to do. So you have to be, again, mindful. And if you got to be up at 2 o'clock in the morning, so be it. That's the dedication, right? How bad do you want this? How bad do you want this freedom? You know, time to be with your loved ones. You know, that's what it's all about. So I'm telling you this. I say all that to say this. It is not easy. It is not easy. And I personally don't consider this as work or a job, even though I have to work, I have to hustle, and I have a job to do, obviously, but I don't consider it. I absolutely love this. It's my passion. It has been for years, over 25 years, 26 years, I think. I've even lost count. And I have to tell you, I enjoy it. And the most important thing to me is be able to go and give back to the community. So I'm doing it twofold. I'm doing it by actually helping the homeowners in their situation. At the same time, I'm helping now fellow investors out there who are looking to get into this, which is why we started Jack's Real Estate Education, so we could go ahead and help. Now, our approach is completely different from what you see out there. It's completely different. I have studied everything everybody else has done, trust me. We have a sure thing. We have a game plan. We have a playbook that we have. We follow step by step. We have a resource center. If you follow what needs to be done, you'll be making deals. And it's up to you to decide how much you want to go and turn it up, or you're going to turn it down. How quick you'll be successful based on your personal situation. You know, you got kids, you got work, you got 2 work jobs, whatever the story may be. But as long as you're steadily working it, you're going to be able to pick the momentum and start scaling up. Make sense? All right, so I'm going to go ahead and just think about this. And if you want to go ahead and talk to me, you know, I am available. You could go ahead and send me a message through Facebook, or you can give me a call. You go ahead and comment below. Please go ahead and subscribe as well. This will be in our YouTube channel. And, again, Give me some feedback. Tell me what you'd like to hear. But this is very important for me because it's all about mindset. And if you can't get through this, everything else that you do, you're just wasting your time and whoever else's time in it. Because if you're not willing to go and put the time behind it, then you might as well find something else to do. That's going to be gratifying to you. You know, there's plenty of industries and businesses that you can start, that you can be your own boss. You don't have to be a real estate entrepreneur. But if this is truly a calling for you that you love to do, then you need to go ahead and give me a call if you're in the Jacksonville area or even the Orlando area, because my brother's over there as well. So yeah, we do Orlando and Jacksonville for sure. But anyway, I want to go ahead and leave this for you to think about. Without commitment, you'll never start. But most importantly, without consistency, you'll never finish. Think about that. Without commitment, you'll never start. But most importantly, without consistency, you will never finish. It's not easy. If it was easy, there'll be no Denzel Washington, for instance. If it was easy, there'll be no Will Smith, for instance. Heck, if it was easy, there'll be no Michael Jordan, right? We all have seen all this other stuff. If it was easy, there'll be no Walt Disney. There'll be no Apple computers, right? From Steve Jobs. I mean, think about it. So, keep working, keep striving, and never give up. Keep on going. You'll do it. Stay in your lane. Focus. Do things smart. And never give up. Fall down 7 times. Get up 8. Being comfortable. Being in your comfort zone. Being at ease is greater threat to progress than hardship. Think about that. When it's time to grind because we have nothing to do and we have to, we already hit bottom in any situation we are. Isn't it funny how all of a sudden we find a way to make things work? We find a way to do this. But when we're comfortable, we don't want to move, we don't want to do anything. Guess what? Now we start coming up with excuses because you're comfortable with what you have. You're still complaining about you want to have a better life. But if you're comfortable, you're not going to do anything. You're not going to take actions to have a better life. So guys, keep moving, keep growing, and keep learning. And see you in the flip side. Hope you enjoyed it. Please, again, comment below. Subscribe, the little bell on the YouTube. Subscribe. And I'll see you in the flip side. Thank you for the support and the love. Take care. Be blessed.